Wow! Watch this video.
Don't become a mistake because you made mistake. You are not a failure because you failed. You are not a thief because you stole. Don't put a label on your actions. You did wrong, I did wrong. I am not wrong. Bury your past out of your sight. Don't let yesterday control today. Don't let it control the future. Stop looking at your future through the lenses of your past mistakes. Mighty things are still about to come out of you.
I would not like to take much of your time on this video, but I would like you to know that in everything that you do, don't be thinking about your past. Your past has passed. You are now in the present and you are moving into the future. So stop thinking about your past. Yes, maybe you had a darker side of the past, but that should not stop you from doing what you want to do. That will not stop you from achieving what you want to achieve. Most of the people that you see them having money, that you see them changing the course of history, that you see them and doing a lot of things with money, you see them driving the cars that they want, flying the private jets that they want to fly, building the house of their dreams. These are people that have put much effort. They do not look at their past, they consider their present and their future, because what you are doing now is what will determine what you will be in the future. Yes, this 2026, what you are currently doing is what will determine what you will be in the future. Yes, that is why Pastor Abel Damina said, what it is that you do, that it took you more than 5 years for you to be able to achieve that, or what it is that you stick to from 1 to 5 years without giving up. Yes, strong people are more stronger. They keep on pushing against all odds. They keep on pushing no matter the circumstances. They keep on pushing no matter the mockery, no matter the disrespect that people show to them, no matter the things that are happening. They keep on pushing because they believe in themselves and they believe that one day, one time, this particular thing that they do is going to bring them result. Yes, but there are people that have caged their mind in the past that hinders them from what? From looking into the present and looking into the future. That is why when you make mistake, you learn from your own mistake and you move forward. That is why Pastor Funke Felix said, the ignorance of this 21st century is the ignorance of those who cannot learn and unlearn. Yes, you need to learn and you need to unlearn. That is why in life there are 3 things. You need to learn, you need to unlearn, and you need to relearn. Learn, unlearn, and relearn are the keys. So also in your life, once you made a mistake, consider that particular mistake as a lesson learned and move forward. There is no way you will be able to be stuck in the past and you think you will be able to make a significant progress in the future. Yes, it is not done like this. So also in your life, once you want to achieve something, once you want to do something, don't seek for people's validation. Yes, don't seek for people's validation. You are the one that knows what you will be able to do. You are the ones that know what you'll be able to achieve. So you don't need people to tell you what you want to do. All you need is that confidence and that capacity and that audacity to be able to say that this is what I'm going to do and this is the time frame that I'm going to achieve it and this is how I'm going to achieve it. Yes, because a lot of people will not give you that green light that yes, you have this and you need to put more effort, you need to make a lot of sacrifices, you need to invest so amount of money in this thing that you want to do so that you will move forward. In this world, a lot of people are not going to give you advice, a lot of people are not going to tell you what to do. You are the one that is going to pave your way to where you want to go. I strongly believe that this video of our Reverend Sam is going to change your life. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and hit the notification bell so that a lot of people will get to know when I upload an interesting video like this. Until then, bye.